Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to find free memory slots in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. While multiple procedures are there, the easiest one and the most recommended one is through the Task Manager. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the application. In the Task Manager application, go to the Performance tab. Now amongst these tabs here, go to the Memory tab on the list on the left hand side. Here you'll find an option named Slots Used. In my case it reads 2 out of 2, which means both of the slots are used. However, if it was 1 out of 2, then one would be free. Right now no slot is free. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.